Hello guys, welcome, and can you believe it, Matt? Season finale.
Season finale, yeah,
We're
it's exciting.
actually here, guys. Thank you very much for those email, guys. Charlene, when we asked for questions, it was Azure related, not Matt related.
Oh wow!
So, but thank you, everybody, and Charlene. Thank you for the love. We really did love that.
I see that I couldn't help but notice you wearing the exact same shirt.
Matt.
episodes ago.
So while I was gonna, last episode I mentioned sorry.
And that's why you're wearing the shirt. Dude, I told you to not mention Sharon's... Oh no, come on. How does she do that?
Where's your force now, hey?
Oh, no, I'd never... I was the good guy and...
I told you, she warned us.
Oh well,
that
what a
happens.
Finale. She's made it all again.
We'll just use as the she. It's the power. Okay, so let's get straight to the question of the week.
100%.
So Craig in Stellenbosch says he works for a startup and wants to conquer the biotech world. He's heard that Azure has a lot to offer coding monkeys. But he doesn't really know too much about it. How can we convince him to actually publish to Azure?
Well, this is an interesting question because I remember quite recently we did this for you.
Yeah, so
you built a game, we then put it into Visual Studios, we made a couple of changes in Visual Studios, and we then published it to Azure with not a lot of changes.
it was actually 4 texts in essence.
So I think that what's cool about it is that we can actually deploy straight into Microsoft Azure without any coding, which is a very valuable thing. I think it saves a lot of time. But maybe you can share some more
That's
about
it.
that
I can
because it was
actually
your game and you built this game and
That
I actually
wasn't my
played
game.
it and it was a great game.
All right, so in essence, I had an idea. I don't know if you guys are aware, they had the GDC 18 a couple of weeks ago, so that's the Gaming Developing Conference.
Okay.
Microsoft was really big there with Azure.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys know, they've now bought PlayLab or PlayFab. I think it's PlayLab. And they're actually specialized in the background on how to scale your games in Azure in the cloud.
And that's amazing because
So
I mean,
Microsoft has bought them out now.
people are always looking for gaming platforms and it's some of the requests we got months ago was for stuff like this. So that's
cool.
great to know that it's coming soon.
Cool. So what I can actually do, I also have the Force Power. All right, so let me just show you mine.
Oh wow.
All right, so in essence, just to prove to you that this is a running game,
Okay.
we're just going to play it here quickly. Okay, so we hit start. Okay, cool. So we've got a little Space Invader running. Perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to move this into Azure. So we just right click here, go publish web app to Microsoft App Service. As you can see, I've already signed in my credentials. It's just picking up my subscription, the resource group. I'm going to go new. Okay, so I'm just going to take out there's an exclamation mark there, which it doesn't like. I'm going to do that, delete that over there. All right, it's got my subscription, my resource group. I'm happy. I'm going to keep the defaults. Create. And as we can see at the bottom, it is currently deploying.
And just like that, it deploys straight into Azure.
Just like that.
Wow, so you just literally deployed it like that, and it's quick and it's easy, and it's a button click essentially.
Easy as.
Wow,
Easy
okay,
as.
that's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I mean, like we've done some work on Visual Studios before, but I've never actually deployed and published something into Azure. And now that you are able to do that,
Just opens
I think
a
it's
whole
quite
lot.
awesome.
It's really cool. And who knows, maybe my Space Invaders will take off. And
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
it's
who knows?
I hope we're going to shut that down.
All right, so the geeky fact of the week. So Code Monkey isn't an industry term. I don't know if you guys remember a song at the end of Portal. I don't know if you played Portal, maybe before your time.
Before Cloud, BC.
Okay, so writer Jonathan Coulton. So he did a song at the end of Portal, which we know, and he actually phrased the word Code Monkey. And incidentally, he was actually a developer.
Oh wow!
So-
Singer, songwriter, developer.
Developer, all cool. Yeah.
Weird combo, but
Yeah, that's
anyway.
All right, guys. So that's the season finale. Now, as we said, we have something cool to give away. Matt, I don't know if you want to break the news, or do you want me to break the news, or
It depends. So yeah, okay. Maybe I should just do it. So
you're wearing the t-shirt, so you can do it.
Yeah, I suppose it can't get any worse than this, can it? Thank you, she who shall not be named. But anyway, okay. So guys, what we do have to give away is 2 tickets to one of the greatest shows in the world, coming to South Africa in September, and it is Comic-Con. Comic-Con. So we've got 2 tickets to give away to Comic-Con. You might just catch one of us there, which will be really great. So you want to win these.
So Matt, how do I actually go about by winning one of these tickets?
So this was really difficult for us, okay, because we didn't know how to give these tickets away, because everyone's asking great questions, everyone's sending a lot of email, and it's really, I felt like a random selection was not going to suffice for such an awesome event coming into South Africa. So what we've done is we're going to put together a little campaign where you will need to build us a server in Microsoft Azure. Okay, it's really quick and easy, and I will help anybody that asks me. You will help anyone, I'm sure, as well. We've done plenty of these things. And essentially,
Charlene, you're more than welcome to ask the question as well. We will assist you, definitely.
we have to. Do we have to always mention Charlene? So anyway, what you need to do is go sign up with Azure for a free trial. If you are students, you do get it for free as well, but completely free without putting in any like credit card details or whatever.
Exactly.
So get an Azure tenant. That's a 30-day free trial.
30-day free
with
trial.
a couple of $100 in there that allows you to build servers. Build a server for us. Get quite creative with the server. Let's see what you've got in terms of provisioning servers. Screenshot the server on the resource group and send a picture to us. We will pick the one that we think is one of the most creative servers, and we will send you 2 tickets to Comic-Con.
Okay, so I just did Space Invaders. Would that count?
No, sorry, you can't. Competitions board, all of that stuff, you know, we can't do that.
Okay.
She who shall not be named might come and like really make us dead.
Okay.
Whatever.
So guys, there it is. Send them in. We're waiting. We want to give these tickets away because apparently 2 people can't use those tickets for ourselves.
Well, and when are we giving them away? Well, you need to maybe subscribe and join season 2.